In this slide, we'll understand about classifications of advertising. What are the different types of advertising? So there are three major types of advertising. Now, all the advertising are classified into these three major categories. Category 1 is consumer advertising. Category 2, advertising to business and professions. And category 3 is non-product advertising. So we have got three classifications, major classifications: consumer advertising, advertising to business and professions, and non-product advertising. These are the three major categories. And let us see what are the subcategories. In the next slide, we'll see what are the categories under consumer advertising. Okay. So there are certain ads that come under consumer advertising. Number one category is display ads. Okay. Display ads. And display ads are of these types. One is national advertising. This kind of advertising is given by the companies who have national presence. Okay. At national level, advertising is run, and this type of advertising is given by companies which have national presence, like Unilever Limited, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. They run nationwide campaign. Okay, and they make use of different types of advertising. They make use of different types of media, print, electronic. Okay, so these are called national advertising. So national advertising is advertising given by national marketers or marketers who have national presence. Next is retail advertising. Retail advertising is advertising given by the retailers. Sometimes the retailers or distributors, they give advertising in order to build store traffic. Like some companies like Big Bazaar, they on their own, Big Feature Group, on their own, these retailers like Walmart, they run campaign. Okay, both in print media and electronic media, that there will be some promotions, that like some like Big Bazaar, it runs a campaign like Wednesday Bazaar, and they give ads in print media. So that is retail advertising. Next is cooperative advertising. So cooperative advertising is advertising jointly given by the company and the channel partners. Sometimes the company, the marketer, manufacturer, and the retailers, or the manufacturers and the distributors, they join hands, they share certain advertising expenses, and then run the campaign. Like, for example, that LG washing machine is available from Big Bazaar outlets, or like Reliance Digital company. Reliance Digital is one of the distributors, or it's a retail brand for the electronics goods, and this Reliance and this LG, they join hands together and they run the campaign that LG washing machine is now available from Reliance Digital outlets. You rush to the store, and this is called cooperative advertising. Okay. Another is end product advertising. What is end product advertising? Like, there are certain products which are not bought directly by the final consumers. These products are bought by the manufacturers of a finished product. Like, let's say in our laptop, we like to see or like to have Intel processors. So Intel processor we want, but we do not buy directly from Intel. Rather, this Intel processor is inbuilt in our laptop brands. Okay. So when Intel runs this campaign that we should use Intel processors, or Intel processors are there, that is called end product advertising. Okay, because this Intel brand, this Intel processor will be available in Dell laptops, that is end product advertising. Okay, next is direct response advertising. In certain advertising, our objective is to have response from the consumers. Okay, and that sort of advertising is called direct response advertising. Suppose we run a campaign that within a packet of detergent you have a coupon, or in print ads sometimes we insert some sort of section that you cut this section, this portion of this ad or this newspaper and send it to us, and you'll be given some prize, some money. That is called direct response advertising. So these are the different categories under display ads, like national, retail, cooperative, in product, and direct response advertising. In these slides, you might see a display ad.